In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be going through toe walking as an exercise. So why would we want to ever do toe walking as an exercise? So one of the more bizarre exercises that you'll see on my app. Now, firstly, if someone's had an injury, if I'm looking to isometrically get a contraction through the calf, but I want to make it a little bit more stimulating than just someone doing it, for 30 seconds against a wall or something like that, I might use it as a bit more of an engaging exercise. Alternatively, if someone's got a gait issue, I might actually look to retrain some of the intrinsic foot muscles with toe walking. So can you do it wrong? You can. So if I come all the way up onto my feet, what I'm looking for when I'm retraining someone's gait is I'm looking to see where they naturally are, okay? Now, depending on what I'm retraining, what I'm looking for is for them to be completely straight with the toes and then coming up into that calf raised position, so that elevated position off the floor. Now, what I don't want to see is this, so where all the weight is on the lateral side of the foot, or this, where all the weight is on the medial side, the inner side, and the knees are buckling in. So for first glance, I want somebody to be able to walk forwards and walk back whilst keeping the feet in the direction pointing directly in front of them. Also, another cheat is that when people come up into that full calf raise position, that full heel raise, what you'll notice is that 20 or 30 seconds into the exercise, their start position might be this when they're doing their walking. And then as they kind of get more fatigued, it comes into this position and this position. So what we're looking to do is train those calf muscles, soleus muscles, and the Achilles tendon to be able to appreciate the loading which we've prescribed. So this could be, for example, 30 seconds, but we're looking for a 30 seconds to see how does the calf, how does all the musculature of the lower leg and the foot adapt to being tired after a period of, say, 20, 25 seconds. Of course, build it up. Best thing to do is to record yourself, and you can see what your strength's like through those muscles doing toe walking. Good luck with it, and I'll see you in the next video.